What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Back again. Quite frankly, don't love what we got yesterday. Had to come back again today. Got stands for the cards. Got the rated rookie lineup. Got 6 more packs left. Hopefully I don't have to open them all. I'm really looking for a Herbert. If I get a Herbert, I'm stopping. I'm selling. These were supposed to be sold. My wife's gonna kick my ass if she ever sees this video. So, without further ado, let's get right into this. Wanted to give a shout out to Chad earlier. We are looking to send some cards out next week. So hopefully that goes well. Let me tell you what, that ain't a good sign, gentlemen. Hopefully, good old TJ Watt and JJ Watt lined up together can bring us some luck today. We'll see. Josh Allen, Michael Thomas, JJ Watt. What did I say? These guys are glued together in this goddamn product, I swear. Alright. Baker, Juju, Devontae, AJ Brown, Keenan Allen, and rated rookie. Can we get a Henry Ruggs? No. We get a Lynn Bowden Jr. Fuck. Can I just one time, man? Ashton Davis. Okay, well, Lynn Bowden Jr. Raiders plan to use Bowden's multi-dimensional skill set. Okay. Yep. Sure. Hot start. Let's go. We want a Herbert. Let's just shout it from the rooftops. It's really what I want. And the silver there. Hopefully something pretty dope can pop out of that. Okay. Devontae Parker, Devin Bush, Zadarius Smith, Dwayne Haskins, Mike Williams, Carson Wentz, Kenny Galladay, Rob Gronkowski, Julio Jones, Stephon Gilmore, and what do we got here? We've got a retro. Warren Moon, okay. And a rookie card, KJ Osborne. Alright, well. I don't know about you guys, but man, the older players on newer cards just doesn't do it for me, unfortunately. But hey, anything you see here is open for trade or like up for sale, obviously. I now have to make back $300 I spent on these packs, so let's see what we're working with here. Alright, Miles Sanders, Kerryon Johnson, Chris Godwin, Josh Jacobs, Sam Darnold, Von Miller, and Jeff Gladney. Okay. Dak Prescott. I don't think it really fucking matters. Oop. Swore again. Sorry, kids, if you're watching. But, look, we want a Herbert, man. We want a fucking we want a Herbert. And a green parallel. That's what we're looking for. Those look like Chargers colors back there. So, Zeke, Kittle, Darius Leonard. Tell you what, though, camera's coming through crispy today. Travis Kelce, Mike Gesicki, DeAndre Hopkins, Adam Thielen, Tyler Boyd, Miles Sanders. Getting down to it, Kerryon Johnson, and a rookie card, Trayvon Diggs, and a rookie card, Kenneth Murray. Ouch. Damn. Alright, 2 packs left. Another Another green here. I'd like to add to the stack in the back here. I would like to, but I don't know, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Again, apologies. Kids, whoever's watching this. Kirk Cousins, Khalil Mack, Jamison Crowder, Julian Edelman, AJ Green, Ben Roethlisberger, Aaron Jones, Ryan Tannehill, and a green parallel rookie card. Can we get somebody that's good? Ross Blacklock, okay. And Joshua Tigaria. Okay, well, so far we are, I can't say that we've hit one card of value, really. That's... I should have sold these packs for $30 on eBay, but all it takes is one, right? All it takes is one. Okay. Sterling Shepard, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, T.Y. Hilton, Baker, Juju, Devontae, A.J. Brown, Keenan Allen. Okay, what's our parallel? Damon Arnett. Wow. Okay, and this ends my, I'll tell you what, I won't be ripping any more Optic anytime soon, unless no. I'm out. Deuces.